So over the next couple of weeks, what I'd like to do is reviews of my action cameras. I've got the GoPro Hero 7 Black and I've got two 4K action cameras. And one of the things I would like to do is a comparison between them and show you the difference in audio and video, etc. But how do I show that? How do I show the difference in quality? Well, what you have to do is record at the same time and then, do a split screen or do shot for shot and try and show you the difference in the same position in the same situation. Now, in the car, I do have 3 suction cups, but putting 3 suction cups onto my windscreen is not the most practical from a recording point of view or even from a safety driving point of view. I started considering some bracket solutions as well, and you can use things like this to attach different things, cameras and audio recorders, and I thought I'd be able to work something out to mount my 3 action cameras. But there's actually a solution out there, and it's from a company called, if I can get this here, Litra, which you can see in the packet. So this is a Litra triple mount. Now this is actually designed for an action camera and 2 of their Litra torches, but I'm not going to be using it for that. I'm going to be using it to attach 3 action cameras. Now this retails about $20 in the USA. I had to pay about £21 in the UK because it's not sold many places, and I'll be honest, you can feel it in the packet. It's just a little bit of plastic. It's not the the cheapest accessory. I think for what you're paying, you're paying quite a lot. But this is a very simple solution and it does exactly what I'm looking for. Now my Sony action cameras have actually got tripod threads at the bottom, and I do have a tripod thread to GoPro attachment. I have one of these, but I only have one. So if you look here, you can see what I've kind of mustered up. In order to attach this to the mount, what I've done is use a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch tripod adapter, and then use that and put it into a standard tripod on one side and GoPro attachment on the other side. So I'll get this open. So in the bag you get the mount. That's the mount there. Tripod thread at the bottom, and you get 2 fasteners. It's quite good to throw those in. So the idea, let's attach this. Where is my GoPro? Right, so you can see the clip that I've used at the bottom of my GoPro, and in theory I should be able to pop it in. So there's the GoPro in. So right away I'm a little bit worried that I'm maybe not going to have enough room to attach the other ones. You can see it there. Let's see how we get on. So I now have my 3 action cameras positioned on the triple mount. Now you can see here that this Sony is higher than the other ones, and that is because my 1/4 inch tripod thread solution didn't work. And you can see I've kind of made like a makeshift adapter here, but the adapters and the accessories that I've got for GoPro, they just don't seem to work with the attachment on the mount. Now the GoPro attachment for Sony, the one attachment that I did have, that's here, and it works great. So I've ordered some more of these. You can pick up like a 4-pack for like £5 in the UK. You can get them really cheap from China if you're willing to wait. And yeah, once I get the same mount that's used here for the other side, this camera will be down at the same level. All cameras will be positioned at the same level, and yeah, it's going to work great. All I'm missing is that one little tripod to GoPro attachment accessory, and that's me good to go. What I would say though is that there's fasteners at each side, and I've tried it with the one that's provided and with some other ones that I had lying around, and they just don't seem to tighten up as much as I would like. I don't know if that's by design, but the camera can still be moved around. Now it doesn't seem too bad, if I'm moving it about like that, it doesn't seem like it's moving it around too much. My concern is if I'm walking about or if I'm in the car that this would move, but it seems okay. I think it's going to be okay. I'm hoping it's going to be okay. It's just not as tight as I would have liked it to have been. I'm sure there's a way around that I can tighten it up. But as far as whether this is a good thing to buy, well, I guess I'm in a unique position. I don't imagine there's a lot of people who want to strap 3 action cameras together. It really is just for YouTubers like myself who want to do a video comparison. And I probably could have, you know, worked something out with L brackets or something. £20 is quite expensive for what it is, but it does work brilliantly. So this is going to help me do what I wanted to do. Once I get that other adapter, all 3 action cameras will be on the same level and they'll be roughly the same position. So I will be able to do videos in the car with all 3 cameras and walking about in a tripod or a selfie stick or whatever. And it's going to allow me to do proper comparisons. Now, £20, I do think it is expensive for what it is, but for me personally, I can compare these ones, but in the future, you know, 6 months down the line, a year down the line, if I buy another action camera, it means I can prop it on to this and compare it with 2 other action cameras. So for me, I think it's a good purchase. Not perfect, no accessory it is, but it does work really well. I really can't complain if I'm honest. So there you go, this has been the Litra triple mount. It really is designed for a GoPro or an action camera in the middle and 2 torches, but it does work with other action cameras as well. Just make sure you've got the right little attachment. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave a link to the official website, but if you search for Litra triple mount, you will be able to find it. Until next time, guys, take care.